Hi. In this video, I will give you an overview of the job that I need done. The very first thing that I will do is I will share this Google document with you. In it, you'll see a list and description of things that you will need to copy and paste. Also, if you have questions later on, there's a tab here that says Instructions, and I will post videos that will answer questions within here. And you can always email me if you are confused about anything. So, the first thing you need to know is the amount. The amount is the number of articles that you will post, and there are two websites that you will have to use to complete this job. The first website is called the Content Authority, and I will give you a username and login for this website. Let me show you the front page. This is what the front page looks like, and I will give you my username and login so that you can log into the site. Now, there are hundreds of articles in here, and you'll have to select the correct ones. The first thing you'll note is in this first column, or this first job, you'll see the Content Authority folder that contains the articles is Invictus March 113. So, in Content Authority, you will go to Manage Orders, and you will find Invictus March 113 in here. This is all alphabetical order, so there's Invictus March 113. I click on it, and I'll see a list of articles that have been written. Now, anything with a checkbox marked has already been used. So select the next one that has not been used, and click on it. Now, you are going to copy and paste the content in here and the title into linkauthority.com. This is Link Authority. Let me show you the front. So the first thing you'll do is you'll log in, and I will give you my login name and password, and you will have to select the correct project to post in. Now, within each one of these projects, I have told you in this column which project that these articles will go in. So, today we're going to be posting 9 articles in Invictus branded links. So, within here I go to My Projects, and I select Invictus branded links. I will create these projects for you. You will just post into them. Here's Invictus project links. You can see that I've been posting articles to it already. And then you will hit Add New Post. From here you will post all the content for the article, and you will add a link. In another video I will go into more detail of this, but for now I'll give you a brief overview. So, back on the spreadsheet, I have told you exactly what keyword to use and what URL to use. So keyword 1, I will copy and paste that here where it says keyword 1. Also there's URL 1. I will copy and paste URL 1 in place. It's important that http:// be in front of it. Then I need to select a category. I have listed the category that these articles need to go in here. So these first 9 articles will all have this exact same structure. So I will be putting them in the finance category. So in Link Authority I will select finance, and then in the Content Authority I will copy and paste the title, and I will copy and paste the content. Now it's important in the Content Authority that I mark this checkbox so that we don't get confused, because we can't post twice. So now we've got this content here, and I'm going to add some tags. I can find a list of tags here on the Google spreadsheet, and I can just copy and paste those here. Now, the most important step, and probably the hardest step, is adding this link to this content. The way you do that is you copy and paste this link, and you need to write a sentence in this content somewhere that will use this link by copying and pasting. So, as I read through here, it says this: jerky is something that almost every hunter likes to eat while they are hunting. So I'm going to write a sentence right here that will incorporate this link, okay? But I have to paste this piece of code so that this piece of code will be replaced by this link. So I'm going to say And I'm going to say a good resource for cheap bulk jerky is, and I copy and paste that link. So when this article goes out, this sentence will read, a good resource for cheap bulk jerky is InvictusFundraisingProducts.com. And to make the sentence sound more natural, I might say something like that. And it's a good place for hunters to find the jerky they need. You will need to do this with every article, and sometimes these sentences will be rejected by link authority, and you will have to change them so that they make more sense. So, for now, I confirm that I have done everything I need to for this article, and I hit publish. And now I have a waiting for approval mark, and I can go ahead and change this to say 8. So now I need to post 8 more. When this article is done, when this line is done, mark it in yellow. And actually, you don't need to change these numbers, you can leave them in place. But mark this in yellow so that I know that you've completed this line and I can check your work. So in other videos I'll go into more depth, but for now that's the basics. If you have any questions, you can email me, and like I said before, you can always go to this instructions page and watch another video if you need to. Thanks.